Actually going to be talking about rain later today, but like you just mentioned, there's the chance of some isolated slick areas if you're heading out early this morning, especially those secondary roads and untreated sidewalks. So be cautious of that. Rain develops during the afternoon hours, continues at times overnight. As we look to our Friday and weekend, we're going to be breezy to windy this weekend. On top of that, we're going to continue to deal with unsettled weather. Here's a look at the latest satellite and radar image. This moisture here in Ohio is what we're tracking. This is going to advance into the region during the midday afternoon hours and then spreading north into the Niagara frontier during the late afternoon hours. Notice the rain-snow mix here in portions of Ohio. At the onset of this precipitation in the southern tier, there is a slight chance you could see it begin as a rain-snow mix, but by the time it spreads to southern Erie, Wyoming counties, and then up into the Niagara frontier, you're only going to be dealing with rain later today. So let's time it out here with Super Microcast. We're mainly dry this morning, forewarned Doppler dry right now. Once we get into that noontime hour, notice how areas south of Buffalo, especially the southern tier, begin to see rain. A little bit of a mix here in McKean and Potter counties. Working our way towards the afternoon, we can see scattered showers overspread the Niagara frontier, so you could be dealing with rain on your drive home tonight. And then when we get into the later evening and overnight hours, we see a steadier and more widespread rain across the area. Now, towards that daybreak hour, as our temperatures cool, we could start to see some snow mixing in. And then for our Friday morning, scattered rain and snow is likely. Here we can see at noon, Super Microcast is keeping in some areas of light rain and snow mixture. Will be mainly dry by tomorrow afternoon. Currently, we're at 32 in Buffalo, 30 in the Falls, 30 in Dunkirk, 29 in the Falls, 28 in Jamestown, Bradford, and Wellsville. So temperatures right around that 30-degree mark. Make sure the kids are dressed warm as they're getting on the bus today. 31 for those of you in Pendleton and West Seneca, 32 at this hour in Hamburg. About a half an inch or less of snow did fall overnight, but today with a high of 38, again, we're looking at rain overspreading the area during the afternoon. For tonight, a steady rain at times, snow possibly mixing in towards the daybreak hour. We're looking at a low temperature tonight of 34 degrees. Now, for tomorrow on Friday, we're rounding out the work week. Some scattered rain and snow for the morning hours will dry things out towards the afternoon. Clouds gradually diminishing. Some sunshine is even possible as we finish out the day tomorrow. Temperatures very similar tomorrow to what we'll be dealing with today. A high tomorrow of about 38. As we get into tomorrow night, your Friday night, we're going to be dry, partly to mostly cloudy. For Saturday, scattered rain and snow is likely. A high on Saturday of 37. Remember, we're breezy to windy this weekend. For Sunday, lake effect snow is likely. Right now, indications have it favoring the southern tier, the typical snow belts. A high on Sunday of 34 degrees. For Monday, we'll keep it mainly dry, colder, a high of 29. For Tuesday and Wednesday, temperatures around 40 degrees with a chance of rain and snow showers. Victoria?